Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a smartphone remote start we installed on a Audi A5 2012. So we installed the Viper Smart Start. The Viper Smart Start, you can choose different ways the app will look. We've liked this shape. So to start the vehicle, we slide the key up. If we want to open the power trunk, we have the power trunk here. If the panic is connected, you can do the panic from here. You have here the tracking. If you have the tracking device, basically you can choose on which plan you have, with tracking or without tracking. And we have the lock and unlock. So we'll start the vehicle. I'm going to slide it up. We're going to have vehicle receive the command. The car will start. And then after the car will start, we'll have information on the system here shows us the car is started, the 201, running time that we've set for this vehicle, and basically that will be the running time for the car. To get into the vehicle and drive away, what we call key takeover, you can either unlock from the phone or you can unlock with the factory remote. Enter the vehicle, close the door behind you, press the brake and drive away. Remote starters for different vehicles are available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.